Go ahead and start.
Go.
A lot of us have problems sometimes turning and getting these bouncing areas because we're not holding the gouge right. Okay? And I want you to take a look at this. See that big gap there? What happens is when you're cutting, it's going like this, it's hitting that, it's bouncing, and then you're landing here again, and you're not even getting a good cut on this. And as it comes around, it does it again and again. One way to deal with that, besides holding your tool properly, is to increase your speed, not too high, but now when it's coming around very quickly, and it actually helps you hold it in place a little better. It doesn't have a chance to bounce as much because it's coming around very quickly, and that will help you control that. But the other thing that they're always talking about is riding the bevel, and this is the bevel right here, okay? As long as you have a sharp tool, riding the bevel allows you to maybe go around some of that. You can find a spot. Riding that bevel, I'm able to get in there and start making that cut all the way around, or up the side, like so. By doing that, you see how much smoother of a cut you get because you're not digging the end of this in. You are riding the bevel. You're making a cross cut, especially on the end grain. You're making a nice cross cut. In fact, that's so smooth, it almost feels like you sanded it right here. And as you are turning your piece, you're going to have a lot less problems. If I was to be cutting at this way, as it's coming around, it's going to dig in places. You see there, it's going to dig in, and it's going to make this move, and it's going to dig in, and that's when you get gouge cuts. This starts to fly off. By presenting it this way and riding the bevel, you're not giving it a chance to grab. You'll have a lot more control, and it's a lot safer way to turn. You can also stand in front of the thing. You're not standing right in front of your bowl, so if anything was to come flying off, it's not going to come right at you. When you're turning like this, most of the flakes are coming off in this direction. I'm actually behind the bowl. If anything was to come off, or if this bowl was to come off, it's going to go over here over my shoulder. It's not going to be hitting me, so I'm in a much safer position myself, and I can move with it. So there's a lot of advantages to following that bevel, and you can use the same technique on the inside of your bowl. When you're coming down the bowl, you ride that bevel down and right into the bottom. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. And I have a lot of other videos on there also. If you'd like to take a look at them, you just need to push the button and watch some of them. And we'll talk to you next time.